Example 2. Each limit below represents the slope of a curve y equals f of x at the point a, fa. Determine the function f and the number a, and then calculate the limit. In part A, we have the limit h approaches 0 for square root of 16 plus h minus square root of 16 all divided by h. In part B, we have the limit as x approaches 11 of 3x squared minus 363 divided by x minus 11. As you recall, the limit definition of the derivative will be in two different forms. The first one, where f prime of a equals the limit f of a plus h minus f at a divided by h as h approaches 0. And another form would be in the form of the f prime of a equals the limit fx minus fa divided by x minus a as x approaches a. For the first one of part A, if we compare term by term, we would see a as the number 16 and the function f of x as the square root of x. For the second case of part B, the f of x would be 3x squared, where a equals 11. Let's check f at 11 is 3 times 11 squared, which is 3 times 121. Yes, we get 363. That means in part A, we are going to find the limit, which is representing the derivative of the function at 16. And in part B, we are going to find the limit, the derivative of the function at 11 in the limit definition form, or the limit of 3x squared minus 363 divided by x minus 11. For each part, we found a and f of x, a and f of x. Next, we're going to calculate the limit. In part A, we have the radical involved into the expression. So we are going to multiply by the conjugate. Both top and bottom. Multiply by square root of 16 plus h plus square root of 16. The numerator becomes 16 plus h minus 16. The denominator is the product of h and square root of 16 plus h plus square root of 16. 16 minus 16 cancel. And then the h and the h reduce. It becomes the limit of 1 over square root of 16 plus h plus square root of 16 as h approaches 0. And we get the value 1 over 8. In part B, we are going to use factoring to reduce the term that causes 0 denominator. I do see the numerator as 3x squared minus 363. We can factor the common factor 3. So now we have 3x squared minus 121. And 121 is 11 squared. So we can see this as 3x squared minus 11 squared. So the numerator can be factored using the special product, which is from the difference of the two squares. So 3 times x minus 11 x plus 11 divided by x minus 11. X minus 11, x minus 11 reduce. Now we are going to find the limit of 3 times x plus 11 as x approaches 11. Replace the x with the number 11. We get 3 times 22. The answer is 66. As the derivative or the f prime at 11